Hello guys, I haven't seen a good salesperson that is not doing the CRM. I haven't seen a company that would be able to scale successfully without the CRM if you're selling something in B2B. So today I want to give you a free template. If you do not use any tools for Web3 Telegram CRM like Enrich or something like that, feel free to use this CSV. I'm gonna leave a link in the description, copy paste it and do it manually. If you don't do any CRM, this is going to be helpful for you. There's going to be some beginnings, there's going to be some grounds. This will help you to set the ground for the CRM. And at the moment when you feel that doing everything manually, because it's like at the end of the day, doing the CRM manually is not ideal, especially because the CRM is made there to keep you the track of records, make you effective as a salesperson, but it should not take a lot of your time. So filling out the CRM manually, doing things like you can see here, can be a little bit time consuming. So I prefer to spend my time closing business instead of like building and doing the CRM. But if you don't do the CRM at all, so this is going to be a good beginning for you. This is an example of how you can run the CRM. You can see there is multiple things here, from connection request. You can fill in what kind of steps the people are in, their contact details, links, and everything like that. It's a very nice review. If you already have a company and you are scaling and you're growing and you're still doing the CRM like this, then I'm set to deliver this to you, but you're doing something wrong because you're paying too much for the things that are not scalable. And at the stage of growing the business, you should be thinking more about automating information, more about making your people that are working in your company effective. And if I was a business owner, I would prefer my employees to be focused on high value activities instead of sitting down and typing in links for people in the CRM. So that's up to you, whether you do it in a CSV like I'm showing you here, or you want to use a tool. It's totally up to you. But if you have been looking for the Web3 CRM that understands Telegram, definitely give me a ping, because we have a solution for people like you, and Reach is a software that I help to sell. And if you're the first one, if you're the new one on the Web3 Sales Gym, or you've seen my channel but you're not subscribed yet, or you're not a member of our community, all the links are going to be down below. If you want to DM me and talk about different opportunities for coaching, my Telegram link is also going to be in the description. See you guys, and bye bye.